Hello dear all students, welcome in a new academic year. I am your English teacher Mrs. Deepika Malgunkar. Now we start our session. English Bal Bharti class 4th unit number 1 poem number 1 Rain in the Night. Do you know this poem children? ये रे पावसा तुला देतो पैसा पैसा झाला छोटा पाऊस आला मोठा. I think this poem we learn in a senior junior class, right student? We all knew about rainy season. In a rainy season, rain brings relief to all human beings and animals also. A farmer welcome rainy season. It gives new life to his crops and his children also. And children came out to play on overflowing street during the rainy season. We all feel greenery and we all feel fresh during the rainy season. Rainy days are different from any other day. They hold great importance for everyone. People have different reason to wait for rainy season eagerly. After all, it brings a sign of relief for everyone. There is no age limit during the rainy season. People of almost every age enjoy it equally. It means all human beings, animals, birds, all are enjoying rainy season. Most of our children like this rainy season, right student? So let's enjoy with the poem Rain in the Night. First we read the poem, after that we explain the poem one by one. Unit number 1, poem number 1, Rain in the Night. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud and sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters and like lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. But the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. But first I will take my watering pot and wash my pansies' faces. This beautiful poem written by Amelia Josephine Bird. It's a nature poem. It describes the rainy season. What happened during the rainy season? Look at the first stanza. Look at the first stanza. Here, poet says that during the rainy season, all night raining is going on. Because of the rain, she describes the sound of the rain. What was the sound of the rain? Sometimes loud and sometimes soft. That's why poet says that the sound of the rain like as a music. Which type of music? Loud and soft. It's feel us fresh and it's like a song. Poet compared the rain with the beautiful and musical song. Right student? Now look at the next stanza. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Now in this stanza, when all night raining is going on, so in the morning there will be rivers and gutters of full of water. You also, my dear kids, love to jump in the pond, in the puddles also, and love to the water slashing away. When gutters are full of water, it's look like as a rivers flowing on the street, and our little kitty was enjoying like our kids. She also do what she do. She wash her feet in the dirty water, and other animals also enjoying the rainy season, right? Now look at the next stanza. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. Here in this third stanza, when the little drop of water falls on the rose. It's look like a diamonds. It's look like a beautiful stone. And when she sees the rose, some drop of water, it's look very beautiful. It's look very pretty, just like a queen and kings at the courts. There is pansies. Pansies are very short. Here pansies means a small plant. These pansies are very short, and so when the raining is going on, that time the pansies are became dirty. They get muddy. After that, poet compare with the rose and the short pansies. Roses are became clean and beautiful, but pansies are get muddy, get dirty. So that's why poem compare the rainy season with the rose and the pansies plant. Okay, pansies are short, that's why they are became dirty and get muddy. Okay, now look at the next stanza. I will sail my boat tomorrow in a wonderful new places. But first I will take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. In this stanza, when poet says that I will sail my boat tomorrow. Why she says that? Because see, see how she love make the boats of the paper. My dear children, you also like to make the boats from the paper. You also love to do it, right? Sail the boats in the puddles and ponds all around us. Same that what she loved to do, she says that, but she what she tell, she said that she will sail the boat tomorrow. Why she said? Because she has something in her mind now, right now. What's that? She take her watering pot first and wash the pansies faces. Here pansies mean what I said that pansies means small plant. It's became dirty during the rainy season. So here poet says that I have to sail my boat, but it will later. Why? Because I have to do pants. I have to wash my pansies first one. Pansies faces are became dirty, so I have to wash faces of pansies, and after that I will sail my boat. Here what the poet says, first one we have to do our responsibility first one. After that what we have to play, we have to dance, we have to do other things. After that your mama and your father also told you do your homework, do that one, do this one, so you have to do this one first. What is your responsibility? You have to understood that what work we have to finish first one. Then after that the remaining we have so much time to do all the things in during the day, right? First one we have to do your homework. After that we have to complete our writing, all that necessary things we have to complete first one. After that enjoyment, right? Here poet in the rainy season we all enjoying rain, right? But our responsibility is most important here. We have to do your our responsibility first one, and after that enjoyment. Okay, so this beautiful poem Amelia Josephine Burr written, and it's a very interesting natural poem. I hope that do you understood this poem. Okay, now let's see in the next session. Thank you.
Have a nice day.